Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Ballum, orthopedic surgeon at the center. Preparing your home for recovery is a necessary step prior to surgery. It is important to make sure to do the following. Move your furniture to be able to safely move around with your walker. A chair with good arms is useful for rest during the day. You will want to place items like your phone, charger, remote controls, water, ice machine, medications, etc. within easy reach of your chair. Remove tripping hazards such as cords, loose rugs, or other obstacles. Make sure the handrails are sturdy if you need to navigate stairs. Your bathroom may require additional planning for care after discharge, such as temporary handrails, an elevated toilet seat, or an adapter for entering the shower if there is a lip or tub to step over. Wash bed linens, towels, and the clothes you will recover in prior to surgery, as well as cleaning the bathroom and kitchen areas. This will decrease your risk of infection for the new joint. If you have pets, it is very important to keep them away from your surgical incision. Do not allow them to sleep with you, sit on your lap, or come near your incision after surgery. Lastly, stock up on groceries and refill prescription medications before surgery. These preparations will make your transition to home as smooth and stress-free as possible so you can focus on recovering. Thank you for watching. It's important to watch all these videos to prepare for your upcoming surgery. If you have questions, give us a call at 541-382-3344.